ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Next, reaction with sodium metal. Reaction with magnesium. After that, next one, reaction with sodium metal. Reaction with sodium metal, that is called as Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. Right. Alkyl halides on treatment with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to form alkanes are called as Wurtz reaction. Best example, alkyl halide RX with sodium metal 2 moles of Na plus here XR, alkyl halide, in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, what happen here? Removal of sodium halide NaX R plus 2 moles of NaX. This is called as hydrocarbon or alkanes. Okay, alkyl halides on treatment with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to form alkanes. Example, general example, methyl halide CH3Cl or CH3I, methyl halide on treatment with sodium metal plus here methyl iodide in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether, here sodium iodide CH3 plus 2 moles of sodium iodide. Okay, this is called as ethane preparation. Okay, methyl iodide on treatment with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether to form alkanes. Similarly, ethyl chloride C2H5Cl plus sodium metal and C2H5Cl in the presence of dry ether. Same reaction, 2 moles of sodium chloride, ethyl means C4H10 butane plus 2 moles of sodium chloride. Now in this Wurtz reaction, 2 alkyl halides are same, methyl iodide, ethyl chloride. If alkyl halides are same, that is called as normal Wurtz reaction. In this normal Wurtz reaction, we are getting even number of hydrocarbons. Even number of carbons, 4 carbons, here 2 carbons, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Even number of carbons containing alkanes are obtained. Here butane is also even number of carbons. So here therefore most important point in this reaction is by using Wurtz reaction, okay, by using Wurtz reaction we can prepare even number of carbons containing alkanes. We can prepare even number of carbons containing alkanes can be prepared. This is the suitable method. Now in this method, at least minimum 2 carbons are required. So therefore, methane cannot be prepared in this reaction. Okay. So second one is here methane in this method. In this method, CH4 means methane. Methane cannot be prepared. Methane cannot be prepared. So in Woods reaction, even number of carbons containing alkanes are favorable. And second point is, in this method, methane cannot be prepared because of at least minimum 2 carbons are required in this reaction. Therefore, methane cannot be prepared. So how to write the product by using the reactants? Very simple. Here methyl added 1 carbon. So double carbons alkane is obtained. Ethane. Here 2 carbons. Double carbons alkane is obtained. Butane. So easily identified. Reactant only single carbon, product double. Reactant double carbons, 2 carbons, product 4 carbons. If reactant 3 carbons, product 6 carbons. That means double carbons containing alkanes are obtained in Woods reaction. Okay. So double carbons alkanes are obtained in Woods reaction. Okay students, simple identification. Methyl iodide sodium triether. Sodium triether. Methyl iodide sodium triether double carbon alkane means C2H6 formation. Very easy to identify the product in this reaction. Similarly, ethyl chloride is obtained in the presence of sodium and triether. It becomes double, means C4H10 butane formation. Okay, C3H7Cl Woods reaction, product is 6 carbons, C6H14 hexane formation. Okay, C4H9 bromine Woods reaction, a double 8, so C8H18. Okay, here C5, C6, C7 like this. C5 double means decane. Here 6 it becomes double, do decane preparation. 7 plus 7 14. So 14 means tetradecane. So this is the easy trick to identify the product's formation in Woods reaction. Okay, how to identify the product? By taking alkyl halide in the presence of sodium triether, these carbons becomes double. 1 carbon, 2 carbons alkane, 2 carbons, 4 carbon alkane, 3 carbons, 6 carbons double, 4, 8, 5, 10, 6, 12, 7, 14. Okay, so all these are 2 carbons, 2, 4, 6, 8, here 10, 12, 14, all these are even number. So even number of carbons containing alkanes are prepared by using normal Woods reaction. Okay, by using normal Woods reaction, we can prepare even number of carbons containing alkanes. Right, how to prepare odd number of carbons containing alkanes. Odd number of carbons containing alkanes. that is indicated by crossed Woods reaction. Okay, crossed Woods reaction with the help of crossed Woods reaction. Crossed Woods reactions or crossed Woods reaction. Here also same reagent but different alkyl halides. Different alkyl halides. Different alkyl halides are taken. Different alkyl halides are taken in this reaction. For example, if you take CH3Cl, methyl chloride, plus sodium metal and ethyl chloride. Methyl chloride, CH3Cl, methyl chloride. C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride, C2H5Cl. Methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, different alkyl halides. So in the presence of dry ether, moist ether cannot be used in Woods reaction. Only dry ether is used in the Woods reaction. Right, then what happened here? Removal of sodium chloride. This methyl group condenses with ethyl group. Then the product is CH3, CH2 and CH3. Its name is propane. Plus only methyl group involved, methyl chloride involved in the Woods reaction, it becomes double, means 2 carbons alkane, that is C2H6. Only ethyl chloride is involved in the reaction, self Woods reaction, here double carbons, that is C4H10. Okay, propane, here it is ethane and this is butane. Okay, in crossed Woods reaction, propane means 3 carbons alkane, ethane 2 carbons alkane, butane 4 carbons alkane. Okay, C3 3 carbons alkane means odd number of carbons. Odd number of carbons containing alkane is obtained. But the separation of this mixture is very difficult because their boiling points are very close to each other. Therefore, odd number of carbons containing alkanes cannot be preferable in Woods reaction. Okay, so odd number of alkanes are also prepared by using crossed Woods reaction, even though the separation of this mixture is very difficult. Why? Because here methyl chloride, ethyl chloride combination, propane formation, only self Woods reaction, methyl chloride double product ethane, ethyl chloride double carbons, butane formation. So the mixture of alkanes are obtained in crossed Woods reaction. In this, odd number of carbons containing alkanes are obtained, but the separation is very difficult because of their boiling points are almost very close to each other. So that's why a odd number of carbons containing alkanes cannot be preferable in this reaction. Okay, right. Similarly, methyl chloride, sodium metal. How to identify alkyl halide plus sodium metal plus alkyl halide in the presence of dry ether, removal of sodium halide or combination combination. And one more reaction, alkyl halide plus sodium metal plus your alkyl halide RX in the presence of dry ether. Here also removal of 2 moles of NaX, in this case R prime. Okay, what is the difference between these two reactions? Here alkyl group same type of alkyl groups. Okay, same alkyl halide, same type of alkyl halide, same type of alkyl halide. Here alkyl halide, these are the different alkyl halides. Here R prime, different alkyl halides, different alkyl halides, different alkyl halides, formation of alkynes. If alkyl groups are same, means alkyl halides are same, this is called as Woods reaction. Woods reaction means same alkyl halide. Different alkyl halides are taken, that is called as crossed Woods reaction. Okay, that reaction is known as crossed Woods reaction. Same alkyl halides are taken, Woods reaction. Different alkyl halides are taken, that is crossed Woods reaction. Okay, this is the reaction with metals like magnesium and sodium. Right. Next concept is reactions of aryl halide. Reactions of aryl halides. Next concept is reactions of aryl halides. Aryl halide means aromatic halide. Alkyl halide means aliphatic halide. Example, C6H5Cl. This is aryl halide. Alkyl halide is RCH2Cl. This is alkyl halide. Okay, it is aryl halide. This one is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, aryl halide. Which one is more reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction? Okay, already you know the nucleophilic substitution reactions, SN1 reaction and SN2 reactions and SNI reactions. Right now here, aryl halide, alkyl halides. Among these two, which one is readily undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions? Okay, right now, how to explain? Here chlorine is attached to the sp2 carbon. Chlorine attached to sp2 carbon. In this alkyl halides, a chlorine attached to sp3 carbon. In aryl halides, halogen attached to sp2 carbon. In alkyl halides, halogen attached to sp3 carbon. Okay, right now sp2, sp3. In this case, first of all, electronegativity order. Electronegativity, sp hybridized carbon is more electronegative than sp2. sp2 is more electronegative than sp3. This is electronegativity order. Percentage of S character. Percentage of S character, here sp sulfur s orbital percentage 50%, here 33.33% in this 25%. So percentage of S character is high for sp, after that sp2 and sp3. Okay, Nana, what about the bond length? Bond length for sp3 is high, sp is low, sp2 low, sp3 high. Bond length. Okay, bond dissociation energy. Bond dissociation energy is high for sp, after that sp2 and sp3. Okay, so these are the important parameters for the reactivity of aryl halides and alkyl halides. Bond dissociation energy of sp2 is greater than sp3. So here the breakage of carbon chlorine bond dissociation energy BDE of sp2 is greater than sp3. So by adding nucleophilic substitution reactions takes place especially in alkyl halides when compared to aryl halides. Why? Because high bond dissociation energy and percentage of S character is also high. Percentage of S character is also high in chlorobenzene when compared to alkyl halides. So therefore, towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, alkyl halides are easily participated, but in aryl halides low reactivity. So therefore, towards nucleophilic substitution, towards nucleophilic substitution reactions, aryl halides less reactive than alkyl halides. Towards nucleophilic substitution reactions, aryl halides are less reactive than alkyl halides. Okay, Nana? Because of the reason is bond dissociation energy is high, carbon chlorine bond dissociation energy is high, carbon chlorine bond dissociation energy in alkyl halides is low. Percentage of S character is high, percentage of S character is low. And one more important one, in this chlorobenzene, lone pair of electrons involved in the resonance. As a result, partial double bond character between carbon and chlorine. Okay, here one more reason, aryl halides are less reactive due to partial double bond character. Due to partial double bond character. So due to partial double bond character, aryl halides are less reactive than alkyl halides. Right, once again students, reactions of aryl halides. Aryl halide means halogen attached to the aromatic system. Here halogen attached to the aliphatic carbon atom. So it is aryl halide, this one is alkyl halide. Okay, towards nucleophilic substitution, alkyl halides are more reactive than aryl halides. Because of the reason is bond dissociation energy high in aryl halides when compared to alkyl halides, and percentage of S character is also high. And one more important reason is in aryl halides, lone pair of electrons involved in the resonance. As a result, partial double bond between the carbon and chlorine. Due to partial double bond character, it requires high energy for breakage of the bond. Therefore, aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions when compared to alkyl halides. Okay students, here electronegativity, percentage of S character, bond length, bond dissociation energy. Percentage of S character is directly proportional to acidity. So therefore, here acidity order is also acidity order. Sp hybridized carbon is more acidic than Sp2 is greater than Sp3. Okay, so aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution when compared to alkyl halides. Right, now even though chlorobenzene involved in nucleophilic substitution reactions, especially in drastic conditions or special conditions, by applying high temperature or high pressure, chlorobenzene is also involved in nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, right, now we are observing its resonance structures. Resonance structures of chlorobenzene. Okay. Resonance structures of chlorobenzene. What is mean by resonance? Resonance is nothing but shifting of electrons from one position to another position, or transfer of electrons from one place to another place. Right, resonance structures of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, this pair of electrons involved in the resonance, pi bonded electrons shift towards adjacent position. Now this pair of electrons involved in the resonance, these pi bonded electrons shift towards para position. Now these electrons are also involved in the resonance. It leads to the formation of one more resonance structure, negative. Here this negative involved in the resonance structure, here electron pair. So original structure, original chlorobenzene is obtained in this reaction. Original structure will be generated. But here double bond location is different. Here also same. Double bond location is different. So due to a double bond location different, they are called as Kekulé structures. Kekulé structure 1, Kekulé structure 2. These are Kekulé structures. So now in all these resonance structures, carbon chlorine bond double bond behavior, carbon chlorine double bond behavior, carbon chlorine double bond behavior. So due to partial double bond behavior, aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution when compared to alkyl halides. So now even though this chlorobenzene involved in the nucleophilic substitution in the presence of drastic conditions or special conditions. Drastic condition or special condition is nothing but at high temperature and high pressure. Okay, we are using at high temperature and high pressure. So now in this case, chlorobenzene, aqueous NaOH at high temperature, 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure, acidified with acid H+. This chlorobenzene, chlorine is replaced by OH group. Cl minus is substituted by OH minus. Hence it is called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, the reactions in which one nucleophile is substituted by another nucleophile is called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now this nucleophilic substitution reaction is carried out with negative charge, carbon with negative, carbon with negative, carbon with negative, hence it is called as anionic intermediate. Okay, what type of intermediate formation? Anionic intermediate formation. Okay, already you know the students, in SN1 reaction mechanism, carbocation intermediate formation. In SN2 reaction mechanism, transition state will be formed. But in this case, in chlorobenzene, nucleophilic substitution, anionic intermediate, especially carbanion intermediate. Anionic intermediate means carbon with negative charge, that is called as carbanion intermediates. So through carbanion intermediate, nucleophilic substitution reaction. This nucleophilic substitution reaction is called as aromatic. Aromatic SN2 reaction. This is aromatic SN2 reaction. SN2, 2 means bimolecular, N means nucleophile, S means substitution. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic means benzene ring is the aromatic system according to Huckel's rule. Okay, so it is a aromatic SN2 reaction. SN2 means already you know bimolecular. Okay, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Right, once again repeat, what is Dawes process? Chlorobenzene on treatment with aqueous NaOH at high temperature and high pressure, phenol formation. Okay, this is a best example for aromatic SN2 reaction. What type of intermediate formed in this reaction, students? Anionic intermediate formation. Anionic intermediate means carbanion intermediate is formed in this reaction. Okay, this is the Dawes process. So how to write the mechanism for this reaction? Okay, mechanism for Dawes process. Right, now mechanism for Dawes reaction. Mechanism for Dawes reaction. Dawes process, direct reaction, chlorobenzene on treatment with aqueous NaOH, 623 Kelvin temperature, 300 atm, and followed by H plus. Nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place to form phenol. Okay, this is the direct reaction. Now for this reaction mechanism, how to write the mechanism for this reaction? First of all, aqueous NaOH means OH minus nucleophile. Here it is chlorobenzene, double bond, double bond, double bond, chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene is treated with aqueous NaOH plus OH minus nucleophile. This OH minus nucleophile attacks on chlorinated carbon. As a result, at this carbon electron density increases. Therefore, these pi bonded electrons are shifted to adjacent carbon. Now the intermediate formed in this reaction is a double bond, pi bonded electron shift towards adjacent carbon, so negative. Here chlorine Cl and OH group. Carbon with negative charge, carbanion intermediate. Now this carbanion electrons or lone pair electrons involved in the resonance, this pi bond is shifted between the two carbons. So now one more resonance structure will be generated, that is here negative charge, double bond, and chlorine OH. Similarly, this pair of electrons involved in the resonance and pi bonded electrons shifted to adjacent carbon, and one more resonance structure is generated, that is here double bond, here negative charge, and chlorine here OH. Okay. Now this pair of electrons involved in the resonance, as a result this chlorine is eliminated, Cl minus eliminated. So final product is here double bond, and OH group. Initially we can take chlorobenzene, final product is phenol, final product is phenol. This is phenol and it is a chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is converted into phenol. Chlorobenzene converted to phenol. Now OH minus chlorobenzene, it is the slow reaction, slow reaction. So rate of the reaction depends on only slow step. Therefore a rate is directly proportional to slow step. A rate is directly proportional to slow step. So rate is directly proportional. In slow step, one is chlorobenzene and another one is OH minus nucleophile. Two molecules are involved in the slow step. So therefore here chlorobenzene Cl and OH minus nucleophile. So two molecules are participated in this reaction. Two molecules, therefore you can write 2. What type of reaction? Chlorine substituted by OH, nucleophile substitution. So nucleophile means N, substitution means S. Therefore the overall reaction is called as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this reaction is called as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, two molecules, so order is to nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this intermediate is negative charge. Therefore in this anionic intermediate is especially intermediate in this reaction is anionic intermediate or carbanion intermediate is formed. Anionic intermediate or carbanion intermediate is formed. Okay, this is the direct reaction. Now in this reaction we are introducing the electron withdrawing groups. Reactivity of chlorobenzene increases. Okay, by introducing electron withdrawing groups on chlorobenzene, reactivity increases. So and some more examples for Dawes process. Okay, this is the reaction mechanism. Now here it is chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene with aqueous NaOH and 623 Kelvin and 300 atms acidified with acid, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place to form phenol. Now in this system, in this aromatic system, electron withdrawing groups increases. For example, here chlorobenzene, here electron withdrawing group like NO2 group increases. What happen here? Same aqueous NaOH is added. Okay, temperature is 468 Kelvin temperature and acidified acidified, just here 1 or 10 atms enough. Here also same, this chlorine is replaced by OH group, nucleophilic substitution. In this case, here OH group and NO2. And one more, chlorine, NO2 and NO2. Dinitrochlorobenzene is treated with aqueous NaOH. Okay, here 323 Kelvin temperature, acidified with acid. Here easily chloride is replaced by OH minus to form dinitrophenol. And one more, chlorine with 3 NO2 electron withdrawing groups with just only warm water. Nucleophilic substitution takes place to form picric acid, OH, NO2, NO2, NO2. This is called as picric acid. Picric acid. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, or it is also called as picric acid. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, or it is also called as picric acid. Right, now what we are observing all these reactions, chlorobenzene 623, nitrochlorobenzene 468, 2 nitro groups 323, 3 nitro groups, just warm water is enough to replace the chloride ion. That means in aromatic systems, by introducing the electron withdrawing groups like NO2 group, NO2 group, NO2 group, NO2 groups, electron withdrawing groups increases on the aryl halides, nucleophilic substitution reaction easily takes place. Therefore, in third compound, easily nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place when compared to all the compounds. So therefore, in this system, electron withdrawing groups increases, nucleophilic substitution increases. Okay, electron withdrawing groups increases, nucleophilic substitution reaction increases. In all this SN2 reaction, aromatic SN2 reaction mechanism, anion intermediate formation. Now in this case, one more important compound is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is also called as picric acid. Even though in this compound COOH group is absent. Okay, COOH group is present, that is called as acid. But in this phenol group is present, OH group is present, but not acid. Even though it is called as picric acid. Why? Because the reason is in 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 3 electron withdrawing groups like NO2 groups are present. Due to 3 NO2 electron withdrawing groups, here H plus ions, released H plus ions are increases, those are equal to the carboxylic acid H plus ions. Therefore, acidity of carboxylic acids and 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is almost equal. That's why it is considered as acid. Okay, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is also called as acid, picric acid, because of due to the presence of 3 NO2 electron withdrawing groups, acidity increases. Electron withdrawing groups increases. Electron withdrawing groups increases. Acidity also increases. Electron withdrawing groups decreases. Acidity decreases. Right. This is about Dawes process.